Why does your scanner show the P0797 engine code? What does it mean? P0797 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid C stuck on. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's transmission control module has detected that the solenoid, which regulates hydraulic pressure in the transmission, is not responding as commanded. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty pressure control solenoid, low fluid level, damaged wiring, malfunctioning TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, GMC, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.